if you want to make a little step forward or backwards, just to enter new space for the exercise, hope you. I repeat some aspects from last time. Again, we start at the center. We let go, feel through the body, through the legs, into the earth. And by feeling through the legs, this brings us forwards. Down there, the legs, the toes open up to left and right. This makes the hands, arms follow. They build a bowl towards what's behind us, and this makes us leaning backwards. We pull our toes upwards and create a stream of energy in the body, filling the heart from within, as the rain quality from behind fills our arms. We let go, feel this rainbow, and by coming together, the toes come together, the hands turn slowly, and they feel the streams from left and right, entering our being and building this plane in us. And in this plane, we descend from above downwards, bringing all these energies down and through the heart, down into the earth, and this again brings us forwards by itself. The heart still feels big in the lungs, because they still are filled from this energy, which we, with the help of our toes, we brought from underneath. So we just let our upper arms go. This fullness can unfold. And we stand, again centered and free. Let your breath react. From our heart, we stream downwards. Down there, the toes open to left and right. The arms follow. The toes bring energy into our heart system. The arms receive light and color. We let go. The toes come together, the hands, and the hands look into the palms of the hand, what's coming from left and right. Constantly we perceive the forces coming from left and right. And we feel still big in our center. The breath may react. Stay with your center. Let go. Hope. And let go. When you go through a tunnel and you blow into a hollow form, you have this sound when something goes through. So this sound of someone can remind you that you come down inside of you, like this, like in a tunnel, penetrating your inner form, or just not even penetrating, but passing through your inner form. Letting go. Hope. The breath wants to react, the breath wants to take the arms away and along. To become aware of its own strength, which lives in it. Let your chest react, let your breath breathe freely, let the warmth of your blood circulate, and take 1 or 2 minutes to listen to the resonance. How do I feel carried now? Is my body like a trunk, or does it slightly have the feeling of twisting and turning despite of it is not twisting and turning? Does the trunk or the chest feel big or small? Both would be possible, and just. How do you feel your legs compared to the rest of your body? And what's the difference between the arms and the legs now?